Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at an air quality detector that was sent out to me to review. Now this has multiple alarms, it has multiple parameters for detection. This has history, so you can call up all of your previous data. That's really nice. So let's take a look at the actual device, what comes in the box. All right guys, so here is the detector. We also receive a USB-C to USB-A cable with this guy as well. Here is a quality check and the included starter manual. First impressions, it feels really nice in the hand. Very high quality plastic. Buttons feel really nice, very clicky. You have an integrated stand back here in the back for sitting this down on a desk. All right, so let's power this guy on. Your power on switch is going to be right here on the side, as well as your USB-C for charging it. Let's turn it on. So it goes through this preheating mode where it checks a number of things, as you guys can see there. All right, guys, now we can see our full display. As you see here, all of your different indicators are here, your CO2, your CO, which is your ppms. You also have your PM 2.5s, which are right here. So all of the different indicators are right here on the screen, easily accessible. Now you also have control buttons here that you can go through. You have your set modes where you can go in and set up the system, take a look at the history, calibrate it as well, and also make some corrections if necessary. So everything is very easily designed for your easy convenience. All right, so let's go to our system. And you can see here under systems, you can adjust the alarm, you can adjust if you want to clear the history, sleep time, language, all of those things, brightness level, all of those are right here. And you can easily, as you see, click through all of the different modes. Your return button is going to take you back to your main screen where you're going to be able to see all of the different monitoring. I like the design of this. The handheld features, really nice. So whether you're working out in the home garage or you're in a very professional environment, this could become very, very essential to you. You're going to get your temperature here as well. Now, currently this is in Celsius. I would go in and change that to Fahrenheit, but you guys get the idea. Very flexible device, guys. This is going to travel well with you if you are going on trips. Maybe you're going camping or something like that, and you're worried and concerned about, wildfires. It does give you an indicator down here, which is good all the way to serious concerns. So I like that you have that little meter here. So for my personal uses in my home studio, because I do a lot of laser engraving and 3D printing, as well as using sometimes a heat press, having something like this that's constantly monitoring the air quality to me is a must-have. So if you are concerned about the air quality in your home, your office, or any place that you may travel to, this could be an excellent product for you guys to take a look at. And quickly, before I end the video, I just want you guys to see what the current temperature is here in my room, as well as some other settings. This is very, very easy, guys, to change these settings. You're just going to go to your settings mode, click on settings, and you can see here where I changed it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And you can also set all of your other parameters right here. For instance, if you wanted the screen not to be as bright, you could come in and adjust the screen as well. So let's bring it down to maybe 80% or 90%. Let's say 80, and then we just hit select, and now we have our 80%. So very user-friendly device, guys. So definitely take a look at this. Now, one thing I probably would change is to turn off the key sounds. So I'm going to go all the way down here. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to choose off, and now that should change that little beeping sound, because that sound would probably drive me insane, probably some of you guys as well. All right, guys, so I just wanted to show you that quick little settings, adjustment, controls that you have access to. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys this very cool product. And I'd like to thank the brand for sending this product out for me for review so that I can show it to you guys. So hopefully you guys can make an educated decision if this is going to be a great product for you as well. All right, guys, stay safe out there. I will catch you all in the next video. All right, I'm out.